Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So today's video will be very simple. As you can see, I already applied foundation, contoured, eyebrows, all of that off camera just to make this video a little short. So this look that we're going to do today is very simple, just a little light shades and a little dark shades and an eyeliner, lashes pop on. So yeah, so if you want to know how I'm gonna get this look, continue on watching. Alright you guys, going in with an old palette. This is the Morphe palette. This is the 35OM palette. So this is exactly the palette I need to get this eye look that I'm going to do today. And it has very simple colors, very nude colors, oranges or dark shades. So this is exactly the palette I will be using today. This is the only palette I will be using today to make this look that I have in mind. So first we're going to go ahead and prime the eyes, and as always we're going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to apply this on both eyelids, and yes, I'll be doing both eyelids on camera today just because I already did my foundation and everything else off camera to make this video a little short. And then a little bit of concealer. And to set it, we're gonna go in with the always air spun. Alright, now going in with a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe 433. We're gonna go in with this light shade right here. Alright, now going in with a different brush. This is a Morphe M576, and we're going to go ahead and go on to a darker shade. So I was maybe thinking this shade right here. And then from that shade, we're going to move on to this one after. And we're going to go ahead and apply this on the outer corner of the eye. That should be good enough. And I'm going to go in with a flat brush. With a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this white shade right here. And apply that on the inner corner of the eye, making my way up to the middle. Going in back with the brush and hanging up and bringing it upwards on the crease. That should be good enough. And for eyeliner, I am going in with the Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I'm making this a little We're gonna go in with the visofree lashes. These are 3D mink. Oh. These are 3D mink lashes. This is what they look like. Right, and for glue, we're gonna use the Always Kiss Strip Lash Glue. So for mascara, we'll be going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Okay, and for blush, we're going to go in with the Always Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. Get that burn. And for bronzer, going in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Alright. And for highlight, we're going in with the Morphe Babe in Paradise Highlight Palette. These are the shades from the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and get a brush. And we're probably going to go in with this one right here. Don't know how to pronounce it. Baby girl. Baby girl, something like that. Okay. And for lips, decided maybe for a red lipstick. So for lipstick, we're going in with this red lipstick, and this is in the color 10. Lasting Finish by Kate Lipstick. And this is in the color 10, yeah. And for setting spray, we're going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This is exactly what I had in mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love the makeup, and if you guys want anything else that I can do, please do it below the comments and I will for sure do it for you. So I'll see you guys next time.